Rise in unison, understanding a common English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language and its nuances. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, rise in unison. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these common phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. So, let's get started. The phrase, rise in unison, combines two important words, rise and unison. Rise typically means to move upwards or to get up from a sitting or lying position. Unison, on the other hand, refers to doing something simultaneously as a group, in complete harmony. So, when we say, rise in unison, we mean that a group of people are standing up at the same time, in a coordinated manner. It often implies a sense of unity and collective action among those involved. Let's look at some examples to understand better. 1. During a concert, when a spectacular performance ends, the audience may rise in unison to give a standing ovation. 2. In a courtroom, people often rise in unison when the judge enters as a sign of respect. 3. A team may rise in unison from their seats to cheer for a winning moment, showing their solidarity. These examples illustrate how the phrase is used in different contexts, emphasizing a shared response or action. Understanding phrases like rise in unison is crucial for English learners because it helps in grasping the cultural and emotional nuances of the language. Such phrases often carry more meaning than their literal definitions. They can express unity, solidarity, and collective emotions, which are important aspects of human interaction and communication. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, rise in unison. We hope this video has been informative and has added a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the emotions and cultural contexts they convey. Keep learning, and don't forget to practice using these phrases in your conversations. See you in the next video, and happy learning!